Welcome to our Skillshop Web Development Project Task 34 Program the Invoice page. This video demonstrates how to program a dynamic invoice page for a web application like Skillshop, and it covers fetching data from a database, displaying customer details, listing purchase items, and formatting the document for printing. Let's go to the code. Save invoice.php. We do here session check, DB connection required, header content, authorization check, fetching cart items, and insert order, insert invoice, and here insert invoice item, empty cart, JSON encode file here. And however we are talking about now, insert in invoice item part, we use for each and JSON encode for that. Instead of static page, the system uses a unique ID in the URL like invoice php $ID equals etc. to load specific transaction data after a successful database insertion. Successful database insertion. That's the whole purpose. So you can see we use input output update delete option in this database. For database, we insert item invoice item which gathered by this IDs, invoice ID, product ID, user ID, price. They are whole together invoice item. Values depend on the price, and success false, message invoice item, insert error. Okay, let's move to invoice PHP. So in here we talk about most of parts in previous video. Now we are talking about the fetch buyer info. In here, fetch buyer info. The invoice retrieves comprehensive data including buyer contact info and CD names using multiple left joins. As you can see in here, left joins here, multiple left joins here for legal compilers. For many countries, legal compilers. Now let's go to payment status. In here this payment status process, the web application loops through invoice items to list individual skills purchased and formats prices using PHP's number format. PHP's number format for professional currency display. Now let's go to action bar. In here, this no prints CSS class applied to buttons and UI elements to ensure they are hidden when the user saves or prints the invoice as a PDF. The print no prints. I actually created somehow, right? No prints CSS class here. Okay, I already showed you how our CSS work as a PDF in previous video. We will get nice looking invoice like this, and it's also able to uh, do printing stuff. I mean, if user want to print it, it can do it. This is my own video. So let's look at the process. See, now in here I am processed to check out, choose the card, as like that. When it's paid, we got this beautiful message, payment approved. See, we got the invoice with contact info, every comprehensive detail, and yeah, you can see the print invoice is functioning. And I told you, if you reverse the video, I told you in insert invoice item part in save invoice PHP, we instead of a static page, the system uses a unique ID in the URL. In here you can see localhost Skillshop online invoice.php question mark ID equals, it has unique ID. See, a unique ID also I think in in the database. Okay, let's go to our Heidi, our database. See, in here this has order ID, the unique ID. If you see this remember last number 8AA, this 8AA part, see, this invoice ID is the last 3 digits are 8AA, same as in Heidi 8AA, because this is the course I bought in that practical. Okay, let's meet on next video, task 35.